Lucianghilongwa is an upcoming poultry farmer in northern Namibia. Based at Ompundja village in Oshanaregion, Lucia farms with broiler chicken.
Broiler chicken is a chicken that raised for meat production. So this kind of broilers is a very nice chicken because it only lays for within 2 months.
She markets her product through social media and word of mouth.
There's a market for broilers because people, they like broiler too much because they say that broiler is having enough meat. I don't have problem with the market. Customers are coming, as you can see them, and I'm always happy with my customer. I don't really experience problem with customers. On my side, I don't vaccinate. I use my own technique to prevent them from different diseases. I use garlic and ginger. I crush them. I add brown sugar and apple vinegar. I mix them all in water.